The Yamaha SR400 is a timeless motorcycle, blending classic style with reliable performance. It boasts a simple, yet iconic design, heavily inspired by the vintage motorcycles of the past. The heart of the SR400 is its single-cylinder engine, a 399cc air-cooled 4-stroke unit known for its smooth and consistent power delivery. Riders appreciate the SR400 for its easy handling, making it ideal for both city commuting and longer journeys on the open road. What stands out about the SR400 is its minimalist approach. There's no frills, just the bare essentials, perfect for riders who appreciate the purity of motorcycling. The classic round headlamp, minimalistic tail light, and simple instrument cluster evoke nostalgia for the early days of motorcycling. It features a kickstarter, adding a touch of traditional charm to the riding experience. For many, it's a reminder of when motorcycles weren't overcomplicated by technology, offering a more direct connection between rider and machine. The SR400's chassis is lightweight, ensuring excellent maneuverability. Its frame design gives it a sense of agility that makes it feel almost like an extension of the rider's body. Despite its simple setup, the bike offers a smooth ride due to its well-tuned suspension system. The front fork and twin shock absorbers at the rear help absorb shocks and provide stability, even on rougher roads. The SR400's 5-speed transmission is paired with a robust clutch that provides a solid, engaging experience with each gear shift. The braking system, featuring a single-disc brake at the front and a drum brake at the rear, offers just the right amount of stopping power for a bike of its size. Though not as powerful as modern bikes, the SR400's performance is adequate for its class, with a focus on reliability and ease of use. Fuel efficiency is one of the SR400's standout qualities. Riders can expect impressive mileage, making it an affordable option for those who want to reduce their environmental impact while enjoying the freedom of the open road. The simplicity of the bike also makes it a great candidate for custom modifications. Enthusiasts often take to personalizing their SR400s with various aftermarket parts, adding to its appeal as a blank canvas for creative expression. In terms of reliability, Yamaha has a reputation for building durable machines, and the SR400 is no exception. Its engine is known for its longevity, and with proper care, it can last for hundreds of thousands of kilometers. The bike's simplicity also means fewer parts to maintain, which appeals to both seasoned mechanics and casual riders who prefer to work on their bikes themselves. For those who seek an unpretentious motorcycle that combines retro styling with modern dependability, the Yamaha SR400 is a perfect choice. Its charm lies in its straightforward approach to motorcycling, offering a pure and immersive riding experience without unnecessary distractions. Whether you're an experienced rider or someone looking to start their motorcycling journey, the State Route 400 provides a timeless, enjoyable ride.